Alright, in this video we're going to talk about different exponent rules, different examples, kind of basic examples, not very too challenging. Alright, so first we'll start with this one. Now remember, when you have the 3 and the 4, you multiply just like normal. That becomes 12. Remember, when you're multiplying x squared times x to the third, all you have to do is add the exponents, so x 2 plus 3, that becomes x to the 5th. So there you go. Very simple. Now this one is a power to a power. You gotta remember a few things. First off, right here we have z to the 0. You gotta remember that anything to the 0 power is 1. So in a problem like this, you can pretty much just cancel out. When you have a power to a power, or in this case a product to a power, you have to distribute the 3. Now when you take 2 and 3, that's not 2 times 3, it's 2 in the power of 3, and that gives you 8. But now this one, you have a 3 and times a 3, that you'd multiply. The y does not have an exponent, so it would actually be 1, so it would become y to the third. Alright, 2 more examples. Alright, so this one up here. Remember, you treat the numbers just like normal. So if that's a fraction, it reduces down to 1 over 2. Now with this, there's a couple ways to think about it. If you want to subtract like we talked about in class, that's fine. But also, we have a single x up here and 2 down here. So let's rewrite those. I have 2 of them. I can cancel out. That leaves me 1x in the denominator. There we go. Alright, so last example on this one. So you treat the 4 over 6, just like I said before, the same. But with that negative, that means that we send it to the bottom. Now, if a negative was on the bottom, we send it to the top. So we have our original x, and then our new x squared. So now that becomes 2 over 3x cubed, because once again we have x times x squared becomes x cubed.